In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use KanbanFlow. By the end, you'll know how to set up a board, create and manage tasks, track your time with built-in tools, and work smoothly with your team. Start with your board. Think of it as a visual pipeline for your work. Create columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, or customize them to match your own workflow. If you have review stages or handoffs, add columns that reflect those steps. Keep column names short and clear so everyone understands what belongs where. You can reorder columns as your process evolves, and as you work, you'll move tasks from left to right to show progress at a glance. Next, add tasks as cards. Give each card a concise title and, if helpful, a description so context is never lost. When a task has several steps, divide it into subtasks. Checking these off gives you a concrete sense of progress and ensures nothing gets missed. If a task relates to another card, even on a different board, use relations to link them. This is great for dependencies, follow-ups, or tracking a parent task across teams. Attach files directly to a card from your computer or from cloud storage like Google Drive. Keeping key documents on the card means the details you need are always a click away. Now, let's track time. KanbanFlow includes a Pomodoro timer with 25-minute focus sessions, short breaks to reset, and longer breaks after several rounds. Start the timer from a task card so your time is captured accurately. If your work doesn't fit neat intervals, switch to the stopwatch timer for flexible tracking, or log time manually to record hours you've already spent. Regularly check your time spent reports and Pomodoro stats to spot patterns, manage distractions, and plan your day more realistically. Working as a team is seamless because everything syncs in real time. When you update a card, move it to a new column, or complete a subtask, your teammates see it immediately. To cut through the noise on a busy board, use filters. You can narrow the view by user to see one person's workload, by label or color to focus on a specific theme, or by due date to surface what's urgent. Filters help you run quick stand-ups and keep priorities front and center. That's all you need to get started. Set up your board, create meaningful tasks, track your time, and collaborate with clarity. Open KanbanFlow and build your first board today.